performing this. Y'all ready to see some destruction? I said, y'all ready to see some destruction? Oh, this is an everybody get back moment? Okay. Okay. Oh, man, it's been a hell of a week. You guys have fun with us?
Man. Wally, what are you finna do? Wally, what's going on right now?
You guys like trucks? No, that sounded like trucks.
Whoa, you said truck or trucks?
Trucks with the S, like more than one? Oh,
Maybe two? Four?
4 trucks?
I don't know what he's saying. Oh, Wally's speaking English anymore at this point.
There's something honestly back there.
Oh, you ready?
Are you driving a trash can?
Sema, are you ready?
Oh, on the gas.
Alright, so we're here at Sema. We just got done with the Burnyard.
I don't know what these tires like, bro. As soon as I went into the thing.
Some man killed it out there.
Yeah, dude. That shit was fun.
Yeah. You see me right there and shit?
Yeah. I haven't seen. Well, the truck survived.
Yeah.
Probably just gonna go through it and make it better.
Yeah, that shit got down. That was like the best part then.
Yeah.
Yeah, hell yeah.
Yeah, I was like, I don't want to hit any on the gas guys. I'm just like, hell nah.
You couldn't see shit though in the middle or what?
No.
See,
Nada, way.
You guys don't discuss that shit? Like, hey, ya cuando no se ve, just chill?
No, all we tell each other is if we hit, we hit.
Yeah.
That's it. We hit. We know what we're doing.
Yeah.
We can't see shit. Just can't tell.
Yeah.
Yeah, there was a couple times. As soon as I went in, I saw Freddy on the gas, me coming through the middle, then the other on the gas truck. I was like, chingados.
Yeah.
And then Isma behind me. I'm just like,
damn. That shit was bad as fuck though.
full send.
I got all that shit right there where you're just like in the front. I'm like, hell yeah, that shit's bad. That's the only reason I came. I was like, I gotta get that shit for sure.
Yeah, because a couple days, the last few days, I was just hitting that K-road. I was like, fuck, I'm gonna go hit up these guys over here.
Yeah. Chingón.
Damn, that shit was fun.
Oh, fuck. What are you guys gonna do right now?
I hit him twice. I guess same side.
Oh, yeah, we've been at every show, huh?
Yeah.
The first time he was supposed to use people que este güey le dio.
Why they didn't want to or what?
Nah, because they weren't ready.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh.
Church of Let's stays ready.
Yeah. Oh, well, fuck it.
Oh, my God.
What happened?
Ripping off the bezel off the exhaust.
Damn.
Hey, fix the flat. Un tubo nuevo.
So you guys already need new tires and shit, huh? Yeah. Hey, so that one thing came through? The shit we did the other day?
Yeah.
Yeah?
We just need a tire sponsor.
All right. Tire sponsors.
Well, this is the place to talk to sponsors and all
Yeah?
that. Yeah. Or if you ever use any of the switch you'll notice the sidewalk stays intact, but the inside fucks up, so it doesn't fuck up the sidewalk. Okay. I mean, the side was already fucked up from the tires. But sometimes that's why we use the mud trains, because they have more tread. And when they blow up, only the center blows up. The sides don't blow up, so they don't fuck up your bed. Yeah. Yeah, great. Sí, porque ya estaba fallando, ¿viste?
You ready to get fucked up? Huh? Yeah. Yours? No. You ran it straight to the wall right in front of me. You were trying to go slow, huh? That's easy. Go boom. I was like, whoa, shit. No, because I don't have power steering up in this thing. I see you go like that, and then you're trying to go slow, and all of a sudden I see right in front of me. I just go like, boom, into the wall. No, plus I had smoke. I no left in there. I just let off the brake. Who was in the passenger seat? I just see the hair. Like, she was just like, ooh.
That's crazy.
And she just like, she looks back, all the trucks going crazy. Oh my God.
Yeah, when I passed the first time, I didn't see you there. Bro, when I came the second time, he fucking passed and I slammed the brake a little bit because I got on brakes and the front one slipped. And that's used to go boom and I fucking busted the bitch. ¿Y ese que se paró?
Who entered first? I think the green one entered first. Right?
Yes, yeah. As soon as
The
they
green
came,
one,
and then Friday, as soon as they came in, they hit it.
Oh, yeah. I saw that. I was like, I came in, I was like, oh shit.
So that does it for that part of the video. I'm gonna go check into the room. Got that right there. And see what else we get into. So what do you think?
It's bad. I love the color.
Yeah?
It's so. It's supercharged too. It has some badass wheels. Badass color. It's a Hellcat.
Damn. Look at the interior.
we're gonna go eat.
Valeria can't decide what to eat, so I mean it's not my fault because if it was up to me, you know, I'd get something simple, but she's real delicate.
Right.
So where are we going, champ?
We're going to Hard Rock Cafe because Junior couldn't decide on what.
Oh no, that's not me. I'm gonna cut that out. Damn.
The menu was too complicated for her to read.
Nah. It look look like the same shit. Some kind of salami with like hard ass bread. Damn. Oh. Man, go for a little. Get it, champ. Where are we going now? Oh, all right. See, so.